Listen, do one thing. सुनो, एक काम करो. Listen, do one thing. How much is this phone? ये फ़ोन कितने का है? How much is this phone? Sometimes we have to speak a lie. कभी कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. Sometimes we have to speak a lie. You will have to listen to me. आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी. You will have to listen to me. How to open its lock? इसका लॉक कैसे खुलता है? How to open its lock? How much money do you have? तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे हैं? How much money do you have? Where are you at the moment? आप इस वक्त कहाँ पर हो? Where are you at the moment? How about this one? ये वाला कैसा रहेगा? How about this one? Why are you in such a hurry? आप इतनी जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in such a hurry? He is sick. उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. He is sick. Are you feeling hungry? क्या आपको भूख लगी है? Are you feeling hungry? Then tell me, what would you like to eat? तो बताओ क्या खाना चाहोगे? Then tell me, what would you like to eat? He is not at home right now. वो तो अभी घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home right now. How long will it take? कितना टाइम लगेगा? How long will it take? Who is he to you? वो आपके कौन लगते हैं? Who is he to you? I have to meet you right now. मुझे आपसे अभी मिलना है. I have to meet you right now. I will take an hour to get home. मुझे घर पहुँचने में 1 घंटा लगेगा. I will take an hour to get home. Are you getting late? क्या आपको देर हो रही है? Are you getting late? Just hold the bottle. ज़रा बोतल पकड़ना. Just hold the bottle. Why does it only happen to me? मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why does it only happen to me? How do I say that I'm in love with you? कैसे कहूँ कि मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो गया है? How do I say that I'm in love with you? Let me think. मुझे ज़रा सोचने दो. Let me think. What were you saying? आप क्या कह रहे थे? What were you saying? When are you throwing the party? तो आप पार्टी कब दे रहे हो? When are you throwing the party? Our car has broken down. हमारी कार खराब हो गई है. Our car has broken down. You may have to go to the village. आपको गांव जाना पड़ सकता है. You may have to go to the village. I had to tell her the truth. मुझे उसको सच बताना पड़ा. I had to tell her the truth. Let me drop you. चलो मैं आपको छोड़ देता हूँ. Let me drop you. Who says that you are mad? कौन कहता है तुम पागल हो? Who says that you are mad? When did you come? तुम कब आए? When did you come? Let me take a bath. ज़रा मैं नहा लूँ. Let me take a bath. How come you slapped him? तुमने ऐसे कैसे उसे थप्पड़ मार दिया? How come you slapped him? You are gorgeous. तुम बहुत खूबसूरत हो. You are gorgeous. It is low in salt. इसमें नमक कम है. It is low in salt. Why don't you understand? तुम समझते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you understand? My phone has no balance. मेरे फ़ोन में बैलेंस नहीं है. My phone has no balance. Come on time. टाइम पर आ जाना. Come on time. It's your mistake. ये तुम्हारी गलती है. It's your mistake. Why are you staring at me? मुझे क्यों घूर रहे हो? Why are you staring at me? Sometimes it happens. कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है. Sometimes it happens. Do I dream? मुझे क्या सपने आते हैं? Do I dream? I saw your WhatsApp status. तुम्हारा WhatsApp status देखा मैंने. I saw your WhatsApp status. I have been waiting for you for so long. मैं कब से तुम्हारा वेट कर रहा हूँ. I have been waiting for you for so long. When do you receive the salary? तुम्हें तनख्वाह कब मिलती है? When do you receive the salary? I need a job. मुझे जॉब की ज़रूरत है. I need a job. You couldn't forget her till today. तुम आज तक उसे भूल नहीं पाए. You couldn't forget her till today. Shall I call you after some time? क्या मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल करूं? Shall I call you after some time? It's no use staying here. यहाँ रुकने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. It's no use staying here. You messed with him for no reason. तुमने फालतू में उससे पंगा लिया. You messed with him for no reason. I don't want to meet you. मैं तुमसे मिलना नहीं चाहता. I don't want to meet you.